You are one brave man, sir.
It might fly out. There you go.
Wow. Holy.
Cape Cobra in the inner room. Let me just clean her face. Voor Paardenberg. Now watch this. Now I can leave it. Let's make a little bundle at the bottom.
What?
There's a bundle.
No way.
Yeah.
Crazy. So how come you're so comfortable just to pick up a snake like that?
I work with him every day. If I should have caught babies in the hospital, I would have dropped all the babies, but it's not my profession.
That's incredible. That was insane to watch.
En de plakkies nog wel.
In the buckies.
Yeah, no. If a guy comes and he's fully kitted and he's got goggles on and he's got gloves on,
And you
He's
he
still.
doesn't know snakes.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
He's not working with snakes every day and 1,000 per year.
That's crazy.
Wow.
That was